Call it bling, ice, flash, or anything you want. It's fun to send your knits into the galaxy by adding your own stars. There are several ways to do it. The traditional way to apply gemstones, rhinestones, and crystals is a two-piece application. A metal prong fitting applied from the fabric's wrong side passes through the fabric to hold the gemstone on the right side. This method requires an applicator that sets the gems and clamps the prongs around them. The traditional application has an old-fashioned look that some people prefer, but there are also three factors you should consider. The prongs can catch fabric and snag it. They can get pulled open and drop the stone while you're not looking. The metal backing is on the inside of the garment next to your skin. This may be a concern if you have metal allergies. Studs with prongs often attach by hand, which is fairly easy to do with a screwdriver. Another way to glamorize knits is to use heat. Special adhesive-backed studs or crystals are warmed on a wand and pressed firmly to the surface. The applicator comes with a collection of tips in different sizes and shapes to fit the crystal or stud you intend to apply. Attach the appropriate tip, plug in the applicator so the tip can get hot. It gets very hot and is not recommended for use by children, never without supervision. Pick up the crystal with the tip. You can watch the adhesive on the flat side get hot and liquefy. That's when you place the stone where you want it. Hold it down for a second and remove the applicator. The crystal or stud is permanently affixed and can be washed or dry cleaned. There is nothing on the wrong side of the knit to irritate your skin, but there are several concerns with this application method too. Some knits are fuzzy. If the stone is applied to the fuzz and not the yarn, it will eventually wear off. Sew-on gems seem to be the perfect solution. The stones look like they're set with metal, but they are actually sewn to the sweater. The sweater is backed with a layer of silk organza. It is lightweight and washable or dry cleanable. It keeps the fabric from stretching under the weight of the embellishment. No snagging, no wearing off, and the only tools you need are a beading needle and thread. This design uses rhinestones in several sizes and crystal beads to catch some extra light. Pick up the stones or beads one at a time on a threaded beading needle that has been knotted and pulled once through the knit. Stitch back through the knit to anchor the rhinestone or bead. Continue adding embellishments until you have achieved the look you want. These handsome rhinestones are available at trim shops that cater to designers.